Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2020 Carrera gets full paint correction, a full front end, full fenders, hood, bumper, mirrors. Actually, we did track pack, A-pillars, roof strip, and then the rocker panels, and I brought it up to here, wrapped it in, rear splash panel, and that's about it. The car got a really good cleanup. It just didn't look as good as it does now. Let's take a walk around. Look at this little lady. That's my daughter right there. Let's take a look, starting with the emblem. We take this off, so all the film goes underneath it. We don't want any lines. I see plenty of people cut around there. Remember, when you have edges showing on a wrap, there's none here. Everything's wrapped in. It's perfectly seamless. You don't even know it's wrapped. When you're toweling the car with a microfiber or whatever you use, the chances of you fraying that edge is going to be great. And when you do that, that's not a warranty item, that's wear and tear on all warranties I've read. So we wrap every edge. This fender is fully wrapped, the door's not. The rocker panel's fully wrapped all the way into the door where you step, fully wrapped into the door here. The only line you have, we remove that splash panel they put on from Porsche, wrapped it all the way back here, all the way under. That's the way to do it. That gives you 100% protection on this panel. So therefore, there's limited opportunity for any rock to punch through if you were to commonly leave these edges not wrapped. So this fender, fully 100%. Corners into the lights, all the way around, no edges. Everything's nice and clean. It's a 4-year-old car. Has a couple little marks on it, but for the most part, this is new to this person. It'll look great for a long time. That'll keep that front end looking great. It's the Xpel product, 10-year written guarantee. The installation guarantee by us at Clearbrow, North Dallas is the life that you own the car. That means as long as you're the registered owner and it matches your paperwork, any installation problems, we'll cover it. And that's about it. Appreciate you guys watching. Any advice, any comments, let us know. And you have a car you need to get done, you feel free to give me a call. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com is the website. ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail is the email. And there's 3 phones, but I'll give you one of them. It's 940-600-1308, or I'll give you 214-414-1309, and then a cell is 940-703-8301. I'll have to go over this next. That's a new Macan getting done. There's a GT3 getting done, M3, and then back there's a Tesla, and outside is a few more. So that's about it. Appreciate you guys following us and liking us, and take care. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com.